Becca's like over there with her mom. And I'm bored, so yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah. I'm bored, so yeah. You should call me. Oh yeah. This is my bear I got from Zach today. And this is Becca's dog, I guess, from Patrick. Yeah. It was really fun today. Yeah. We hung out with Zach and Patrick, and then what else did we do?
We watched the movie.
Oh yeah, we watched Quarantine. Yeah. Babies are scary in movies, like no joke. I don't like them.
All the little couples got scared at the same time.
Becca wouldn't watch it with us.
I had to pee at that moment.
Becca had to pee. Yeah, nice. And dude, I can't believe school's starting. School sucks. I want to go to high school. I'm not ready. I want summer to like stay forever. Yep. Alrighty then, well. Okie dokie, artichoke.
Don't throw, be there in a second.
Peace